In this video, I'm going to show you how to place trades on Dexscreener. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to the official Dexscreener.com website. Then you want to go to the left menu and you want to make sure you are signed in with a wallet. So if you haven't yet connected a wallet, then all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on sign in. Then you want to go ahead and press on this option that does say connect wallet. Now you guys can go ahead and use a wallet like MetaMask or even Phantom Wallet. So let's just go ahead and press on sign message like so. And then there you go. It is now opening up Phantom Wallet. So let's go ahead and enter in our password. All right, and once you're done with that, it is now going to give you this sign in message. So all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on confirm and then just wait a little bit. It will now go ahead and sign you in with your Phantom Wallet. There you go. We now have our wallet connected right over here. And you want to make sure that the wallet that you did connect actually does have some Solana, because we actually need to use Solana in order to start making trades on Dexscreener. So anyways, guys, once you're done with that, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on the network that you want to go ahead and buy on. So let's go ahead and use Moonshot right over here. And basically from here, you guys can go ahead and start browsing for whatever crypto or token you actually want to purchase. Now, in this video, I'm not really going to give you guys that much financial advice. I'm just going to show you guys how to actually use the tools. But obviously, you want to do your due diligence. You want to do your research and actually find a token that's promising and that has a strong community behind it. So for this video, let's just go ahead and work with the Pi network right over here. So then it is going to give us something that looks like this. We can go ahead and take a look at the performance, and it actually seems to be doing pretty decent. So all you want to do is you want to go to the right menu, and you guys can go ahead and actually make some purchases. So you guys could use Solana to actually purchase this token. So at the moment, I don't actually have the funds. However, if your Phantom Wallet account that you did connect actually does have some Solana, then you will be able to go ahead and use Solana on here, and you're able to go ahead and purchase this coin. And over here, you guys can go ahead and select the slippage as well. And all you need to do is you need to go ahead and press on buy, and then you should be good to go. And in order to actually track the performance of that token that you did just purchase, you can go ahead and just open up Phantom Wallet. Now, when it comes to actually selling, you want to go ahead and press on this option over here that does say sell, and you want to go ahead and select on how much of the token you actually want to sell. Then you guys want to go ahead and select on the slippage. Then you guys want to go ahead and press on sell, and then this transaction will appear on Phantom Wallet, so you guys can go ahead and take a look at that in order to track the performance. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.